Hello from sunny South Texas. This is John streaming live from 5 Dog Digital Compound, and in today's video we are going to be discussing local SEO, or how to get yourself into the map. The 3 top results here in the map section that you generally see when you conduct a survey or a search. As you can see, there's always going to be a featured snippet, a couple ads. We sell space there too, by the way. And you got your map pack. So how do you get in the map pack? Everyone starts at the top and works their way down. So this is where 99% of the clicks happen. So if you're not here, you're hiding in the weeds somewhere. A couple general recommendations I have to increase your chances of ranking higher in Google, especially in the map section, are: first, make sure that your Google My Business listing's totally complete, up to date, including your name, address, phone number. Make sure that your category is correct. Maybe look at subcategories. Fill in everything, really. Use relevant and specific keywords in your title and description as well. A little keyword research will go a long way right here. You definitely want to try to get ranking for the right keywords that have good search volume but aren't really that hard to rank for. And if you can weave them into your title, your description, and whatever else you have on your GMB profile, it's only going to help. Third, encourage your customers to leave reviews on your Google My Business listing, as positive reviews and reviews in general can really help your ranking, especially if in those reviews your customers use those same keywords. That's a little tip for you there. 4, include photos and videos of your business in your listings. Something that you may want to keep in mind when trying to upload those photos and videos as well. Those photos are geotagged. So if you're working in an area of town, let's say this is our service area, and we really want some Thousand Oaks jobs. If I start posting a lot of pictures to my GMB from jobs that I've done in the South Thousand Oaks region, I'm going to start ranking better for the Thousand Oaks area because they see that I've posted pictures that are tagged, like, let's say, Addiction Recovery Center, Thousand Oaks. And I have pictures and they're named correctly. They have their geotagging showing where they were taken. Google's going to see all that and start putting it together and ranking me better over here for that. So upload those photos and don't forget to name them in accordance with something you're trying to rank for, not just some long string of gibberish.png. It's not going to help you. 5, make sure your website is of high quality and is linked to your Google My Business listing. I always like to link the map of my GMB, the little embed code, to just above the footer on my websites. Really helps drive traffic to the GMB, gives that cross promotion thing going. Google really seems to love that kind of stuff. So always integrate your GMB somewhere on your website. Another line in the GMB section when you're setting it up is to add your link. You definitely want the link to your website on your GMB. Don't link your GMB to your Facebook or anything crazy like that. It's not going to help you one bit. Link your website to it, and make sure that you scan your website regularly for errors. Make sure that it's A, up and operational, B, doesn't have any broken links or anything goofy like that, or there's hundreds of other things that can be wrong with it. If you want a free scan of your website, comment below or DM me on my appointment link and I'll run a free search on your website for you. Next, always use structured data markup on your website to give Google more information about your business. WordPress is really good about this. That's why almost every website on page 1 is going to be either a code level build by a corporation or a WordPress site. They highly excel in this area. Squarespace, Word, Weebly, they all tend to really lack that functionality, which is why they really own page 3 and beyond. I call them vanity sites because they're great if you need something for a business card, but if you're trying to get a website out there that's going to pull customers for you, these are not them. Don't waste your money or your time. Next, get listed in all the online directories and your website related to your business. So let's say you're a therapist. You want to get on Psychology Today. You want to get on WebMD. There's about 100 related directory listings that you could get your profile on. A couple things to remember here. Each profile needs to be unique. Google has a very long memory, and if you're copying and pasting the same snippet, the same paragraph or whatever onto every single one of them, they'll see that, they'll know that, and they'll throw the results out. You just wasted a lot of time. So make each profile unique. And again, utilize that keyword research and weave those keywords into each of those profiles. That way, by the time Google scrolls through all of these different profiles that you created, you'll have a whole bucket of terms that you're already ranking for. Then you just gotta pop them up a little bit with a little SEO. So that's about it for my GMB recommendations. Beyond what you do on your GMB profile, there's some other really great tools that have been coming down in the last couple of years, like automated local heat map ranking tracking software, or GEO-GRIDs as we just call them in the industry. The software has really been making waves the last couple of years in the SEO world, which here's a little screenshot of it. This cool tool is really easy to use, and it basically all you have to do is link it up with your website here, type in the term that you want to rank for, and it'll tell you not only how well you rank for that term, but how well you rank for that term across a broad area. I'm going to go ahead and run the scan here and we can watch it in action. section, so you can kind of get an idea and a feel for it. This is an addiction recovery center in the Thousand Oaks area, and they're just starting, so I'm guessing it's not going to be that great. As you can see, if I was standing on the front lawn of this place and I Googled that particular search term we were looking for, I would be pleasantly surprised to find that I'm in the #1 position. However, if I walked a few blocks over, suddenly I'm not in the MACPAC anymore. I'm number 4, so that's no good. If I walked a few more blocks, now I'm way down there. So this is how GEO-GRIDing can really help you out. I want to be in the green for this entire valley, not just a couple square blocks around Strather Street. So we need to find these locations, find their GPS coordinates, and make use of those in any way we possibly can in order to improve our ranking in this area. Or maybe tag some pictures. Canoga Park. Let me see. What's this area over here? You have to get hyper local. Winnetka. I would probably weave that in somewhere. Chatsworth Lake Manor. So grab these local neighborhood names and start tagging your photos with that and uploading them. That's going to help you out. You could also do videos. You can geotag your photos. You can tag a photo Bell Canyon addiction recovery. Well, I think you get the idea there. So if you're looking to get a leg up on your local competitors in the search results, this kind of automated local heat map ranking tracking software can really help you out. This type of local tracker rivals any manual effort to keep on top of your Google rankings. You can quickly and easily analyze your local business ranking, identifying fluctuations and track changes over time. You'll be able to see which keywords are driving the most local customers. And like I said, you'll also see not only how well you rank, but how well you rank across a large geographical area. And let me see. Benefits of using this kind of software for local business owners is that, the thought of achieving first page ranking in SEO is often a pipe dream of every business owner. However, this kind of software right here can make it so that first page SEO is yours for the taking. This software is quick and easy to use, allows users to input their desired keywords, query them through multiple search engines so that keyword ranking positions are easily analyzed. Not only does this save you the tedious work of manually researching keywords and keeping track of rankings, but also offers first page SEO guarantee damn near. If you're following the software suggestions, how amazing is that? With automated local heat map ranking tracking software at your disposal, first page SEO is never an impossible dream. Now, that is basically the quick, dirty version of how we move the needle for the map hack right here. So to get up here, you want your website to be dialed in tight. And if you need an audit to check any errors on your website, let me know. Feel free to message me down below. I got my contact information in the comments section. Also, you want to get listed on all the major directories. We also have a done for you service for 300 directories. We can automatically plug you in and get you going there with unique content that's keyword researched across 300 directories to really start moving the needle and get you ranking for several terms all at once. And another thing, aside from your website and your citation directories, your Google My Business profile has to be optimized as well. Optimize all 3 of those areas, and that'll be a lot of the work here, a lot of the heavy lifting. Then you just want to optimize your GMB. Keep adding photos, keep adding videos, keep dropping posts, keep responding to reviews, solicit reviews from your clients. And beyond that, we can also target certain keywords with blogs or additional content on our website, service pages. We can build out location pages for some of these smaller areas. Let's see, Winnetka, Reseda, Lake Balboa, Twin Lakes. Yeah, if I was to drop location pages for each of these smaller neighborhoods, that would really help me out also. So that's the quick, dirty version on how to rank in the local pack, the 3-pack, the GMB, the GBP, the notorious Google Maps. If you have any other questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to get back to you as soon as possible. If you'd like a one-on-one consultation, check out the link down below. And as always, don't forget to smash that like, subscribe, and click the bell for notifications. We're dropping videos like this 2-3 times a week, so if you're trying to rank your business, this is the channel to subscribe to. So that's all for today. Buenas tardes, and I'll see you in the next video.